再来看美国总统川普呢，进前是废除无身份移民者逝世的公民权，互最高法院甲裁定违宪。但即马伊阁签署2项全新的行政命令啊！伊讲迄个美国生囝的人就是诈欺，嘛讲迄寡即个境外敌对势力，也是讲恐怖组织，甚至是外国政府代理者才会逝世呢，是袂当摕到美国的公民权的。
We had a very unfortunate decision in the Supreme Court concerning birthright.
美国总统川普搁一届要来挑战出生公民权，找到伊签2项行政命令，想要伫咧宪法的限制之下来找出一条出路。
You have one man came in with a family, said he had 56 children. Another one came in, they said they had 98 children. This was not what it was for.
最高法院伫今年6月用6票对3票裁定宪法第14修正案，保障所有伫美国出生的人自一出世到美国国籍，等于是拍清美国总统川普进前的禁令。不过，即马白宫就决定要来甲政策了调整一下。这2项命令，头一项是将外国敌对势力、恐怖组织成员，也搁有外国政府代理人的囡仔，拢排除在公民权之外。
The second action that he's taking, which is especially historic, is for the first time ever in American history to ban birth tourism.
第2项行政命令是直接把借旅游商务的名义入境台山的人定义做是入境诈欺，国务院甲国土安全部会全力打击代办业者，而且拒绝发签证。
The idea that people come here pretending to be a tourist, pretending to be a visitor, saying they want to go to Disneyland, they want to go visit a monument or go to a national park, but the real reason they're here is to have a child.
不过民权团体就警告，这新的命令本质上嘛是违宪的，拍算要来赶紧提出告诉。所以川普的新政策，若个上宪法法庭敢拼赢咧，国际拢紧看。公司新闻4派选编译。